What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? I'm not talking about those sketchy, get-rich-quick schemes you see everywhere. I'm talking about real, legitimate, passive income streams that people are using right now to build wealth in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start building your own. Let's talk about what passive income actually means. It's money you earn without trading your time for it every single day. Now, I need to be clear here. There's no such thing as truly effortless income. You'll need to put in some upfront work, time, or money to get these systems running. But once they're set up, that's when the magic happens. Side hustles in 2026 are easier than ever, thanks to platforms and automation handling payments, fulfillment, and distribution. Before we go further, a quick reality check. Most of these ideas won't pay you immediately. They usually take a few months of consistency before you start seeing meaningful results, and that's completely normal. Consistency and small daily efforts are key. Even dedicating 20 to 30 minutes a day can compound over time into meaningful passive income. Think of it like planting a tree. You do the hard work up front, digging, planting, watering, but eventually that tree grows and gives you fruit year after year without much effort. That's what we're building today. These aren't MLMs, they're not day trading schemes. These are stable, sustainable income streams you can build alongside your 9-to-5 to make money online. So let's dive in. Here are 5 real passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. First up, print on demand. This is the perfect side hustle if you've got even a little bit of creative energy. Here's how it works. You create designs. Could be funny quotes, artwork, whatever speaks to you. Then you upload those designs to a print-on-demand platform. When someone orders a t-shirt, mug, or poster with your design, the platform prints it and ships it directly to the customer. You don't touch inventory or deal with shipping, and there's no risk of unsold products piling up. The best part? You only pay for what sells. No risk of sitting on boxes of unsold merchandise in your garage. Once you create that design, it lives on the platform forever, making sales while you're doing literally anything else. Sleeping, working your day job, binge watching your favorite show. That design is still out there, working for you. Now, here's my insider tip. Don't go generic. Everyone's making live, laugh, love mugs and keep calm t-shirts. The competition is brutal in those spaces. Instead, go super niche. Make designs for dental hygienists, or people obsessed with pickleball, or locals who are way too proud of their hometown. Create stuff for dog groomers, accountants during tax season, or marathon runners. The more specific, the more your ideal customer will say, "This was made for me." I've seen people make a consistent income just focusing on one tiny niche. There's someone out there making money selling shirts that say funny things about being a software engineer. Another person is crushing it with designs for plant parents. Find your people. Getting started is simple. Connect an online store to a POD platform like Printful or Printify. Choose your products, upload your designs, and publish. Then use SEO and social media to drive traffic. The platform handles everything else automatically. Passive income 2026 means no warehouses, no fulfillment headaches, just creative work and marketing. Okay, idea number 2, and this one is a zero investment business idea. I'm talking about digital products that earn money online. Here's what most people get wrong. They think they need thousands of followers to make this work. Wrong. You need one thing, a specific problem that people are actively searching for solutions to. Let me give you an example. Someone wants to start gardening but lives in a tiny apartment. You create a simple PDF guide called The Apartment Gardener's Starter Kit. Boom, problem solved. They download it, you make money, and you don't spend a dime on inventory. These could be budget planners, wedding checklists, meal prep templates, or how-to guides on super specific topics. Think about moving checklists for first-time renters, goal-setting templates for small business owners, a cleaning schedule specifically designed for busy parents. The key is that people will actually use them. You're adding real value to someone's life, not just selling digital clutter. Now, these don't have to be complicated. You're not writing a 200-page ebook. You're solving one specific problem really well. Maybe it's a 10-page PDF. Maybe it's a simple spreadsheet template. That's it. You're not trying to be everything to everyone. You create it once, and it might take a few hours. Then you sell it over and over and over again. List it on Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website. Once it's up there, it runs itself. Customer orders, gets an instant download, and you wake up to notifications that you made money overnight. Moreover, consider creating bundles of related digital products. This can increase average sales per customer. And the profit margins? Nearly 100% after the platform takes its cut. You're selling information and solutions, which cost nothing to reproduce. Number 3 is probably the most boring idea on this list, but it's also the most powerful. I'm talking about tax-free investing. Most people don't think of investing as passive income, but hear me out. When you invest in accounts like a Roth IRA, Roth 401k, or health savings account, your money grows without the government taking a cut. Let me break this down. With a Roth IRA, you put in money you've already paid taxes on. That money grows tax-free. And when you retire at 59.5, you take it out tax-free. No capital gains tax, no income tax, nothing. The government can't touch it. Here's where it gets exciting. That money compounds over time. Let's say you put in $500 today. In 30 years, that could grow to $5,000 if we assume an 8% return, and you keep every penny. Compare that to a regular investment account, where you'd lose a chunk to taxes. We're talking about potentially thousands of dollars in savings over your lifetime. Start as early as possible. Even small contributions compound dramatically over time. This isn't limited to retirement accounts. Health savings accounts are another powerful tool. If you have a high-deductible health plan, you can contribute pre-tax dollars to an HSA. That money grows tax-free, and you can withdraw it tax-free for medical expenses. It's triple tax-advantaged. And here's a secret. After age 65, you can use it for anything without penalty. It basically becomes another retirement account. And if you're saving for your kids' education, a 529 plan works the same way. Money grows tax-free and comes out tax-free for education expenses. Some states even give you a tax deduction for contributing. I know, this doesn't feel as sexy as selling products online, but this is how real wealth is built. This is the difference between working until you're 70 and retiring comfortably at 60. This is the money that gives you freedom later. Set it up once, contribute regularly, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. That's passive income at its finest. Your money is literally working for you while you sleep. Number 4, and this is a meta one because you're literally watching it happen right now. Content creation. One video, one article, one podcast episode, it can pay you for years. The trick is creating evergreen content. Stuff people are always searching for. How to change a tire, easy dinner recipes, personal finance basics, cleaning hacks. These topics never go out of style, which means your content keeps getting views long after you hit publish. So how do you actually make money? 2 main ways. First, ad revenue. On YouTube, ads play before, during, or after your videos. Every view, you get paid. Most creators earn between $4 and $12 per 1,000 views. Some niches, like finance, pay even more. That means one viral video could be paying you for years. Second, affiliate marketing. You recommend products you actually use. Drop an affiliate link in the description, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Amazon has an affiliate program, so do tons of other companies. You make a video about your favorite kitchen gadgets once, and every time someone uses your link, cha-ching. Pick your platform: YouTube, TikTok, Substack, or even a blog. Create content that solves problems or entertains, and watch it keep working for you long after you've moved on to the next video. Last one, and this might surprise you, rent out stuff you already own. Got an extra car sitting in the driveway? List it on Turo. Have storage space in your garage? Rent it out on Neighbor. Extra parking spot in a busy city? People will pay for that. Even things like cameras, power tools, or camping gear can be rented out on platforms like Fat Llama. This is as passive as it gets because you're literally making money off things you already have. You're not creating anything new. If you live in a tourist-heavy city, you could easily make $800 a month just renting out a car you barely use. That's real money for doing almost nothing. Just make sure you set clear terms, get insurance to protect yourself, and maybe promote locally on Nextdoor or community boards. With all of these passive income strategies, remember that they aren't overnight solutions. They require some upfront effort, but that's the whole point. You put in the work now, and it pays you back for months or even years to come. Pick one, just one. Start today. Put in a little effort each day and think long-term. Which of these ideas do you think could work for you? Comment below and let me know which one you want a step-by-step tutorial on. If this was insightful, give me a like. If you feel I could do a better job, let me know your comment either way. Your feedback helps me make better content for you every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.